type of personal debt that can result from borrowing money from a payday lender to cover an emergency or cash shortfall. Payday loans are short-term loans that have very high interest rates and fees. They are meant to be repaid on your next payday, but if you cannot afford to do so.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Personal debt is a common problem that many people face. It can have negative effects on your financial well-being, mental health, and relationships. Some of the issues of personal debt are high interest rates. If you have credit card debt, personal loans, or payday loans, you may be paying high interest rates that make it harder to pay off your debt. The longer you take to repay your debt, the more interest you will accrue and the more money you will owe. Low credit score. If you miss payments, default on your loans, or have too much debt compared to your income, your credit score may drop. A low credit score can affect your ability to get approved for new credit, rent an apartment, or even get a job. Superscript 1. Stress and anxiety. Having too much debt can cause stress and anxiety, which can affect your physical and mental health. You may feel overwhelmed, hopeless, or depressed by your debt situation. You may also experience insomnia, headaches, or other health problems. Relationship problems. Debt can also strain your relationships with your family, friends, or partner. You may have conflicts over money, spending habits, or budgeting. You may also feel ashamed or embarrassed by your debt and avoid social interactions or asking for help. Some examples of personal debt are credit card debt. This is one of the most common types of personal debt. It occurs when you use a credit card to pay for goods or services and do not pay off the balance in full each month. Credit cards usually have high interest rates and fees that can add up quickly if you only make the minimum payments. Superscript 1. Student loan debt. This is another common type of personal debt. It occurs when you borrow money to pay for your education and have to repay it after you graduate or leave school. Student loans may have lower interest rates than other types of debt, but they can also take longer to repay and may not be discharged in bankruptcy. Medical debt. This is a type of personal debt that can result from unexpected or costly medical expenses that are not covered by your insurance or savings. Medical debt can be difficult to manage because it may not have a fixed repayment plan or interest rate. It can also affect your credit score if it goes to collections. Payday loan debt. This is a type of personal debt that can result from borrowing money from a payday lender to cover an emergency or cash shortfall. Payday loans are short-term loans that have very high interest rates and fees. They are meant to be repaid on your next payday, but if you cannot afford to do so, you may end up in a cycle of debt. Some solutions to avoid or be careful of personal debt are: make a budget. A budget is a plan that helps you track your income and expenses and allocate your money to your needs and goals. A budget can help you avoid overspending, save for emergencies, and pay off your debt faster. You can use online tools, apps, or worksheets to create and manage your budget. Pay more than the minimum. If you have credit card debt or other types of revolving debt, try to pay more than the minimum payment each month. This will help you reduce the principal balance faster and save money on interest. You can also use strategies like the debt snowball or the debt avalanche to prioritize which debts to pay off first. Negotiate with your creditors. If you are struggling to make your payments, contact your creditors and explain your situation. You may be able to negotiate a lower interest rate, a longer repayment term, a reduced balance, or a hardship plan. Be honest and realistic about what you can afford to pay and get any agreement in writing. Consolidate your debt. If you have multiple debts with different interest rates and terms, you may benefit from consolidating them into one loan or credit card with a lower interest rate and a single monthly payment. This can make it easier to manage your debt and save money on interest. However, be careful not to rack up new debt after consolidating. Seek professional help. If you are overwhelmed by your debt and need more guidance and support, you may consider seeking professional help from a reputable credit counselor, a debt settlement company, or a bankruptcy attorney. These options can help you explore different ways to get out of debt, but they also have risks and costs involved. Make sure you understand the pros and cons of each option before choosing one. AI is helping by adding some apps or web apps or anything to solve the above issues. For example, some of the AI-powered personal finance apps that I found from my web search tool are Clio. This is an AI-powered messenger-based financial assistant that helps users in managing their finances. It can analyze your spending habits, create budgets, set goals, and give you tips on how to save money. It can also answer your financial questions and make jokes to keep you entertained. Eva Money, this is a personalized financial assistant mobile app available for iOS and Android. It can help you track your income and expenses, plan your savings and investments, and get personalized advice on how to improve your financial health. It can also connect you with experts and peers who can help you with your financial queries. MintZip, this is an AI-powered fintech app that delivers end-to-end financial solutions. The MintZip app is also equipped with its flagship product Misa, which is an AI-based financial companion and is powered by conversational AI. According to the company, Misa is the world's most powerful financial chatbot. Olivia.ai, this is an AI-powered personal finance app that helps you spend smarter and save more. It can analyze your transactions, categorize your spending, and find opportunities to save money. It can also suggest personalized offers and deals based on your preferences and behavior. Wisly, this is an AI-powered savings app that helps you save money for your goals. It can help you create a realistic savings plan, automate your savings, and earn rewards for saving. It can also educate you on various financial topics and motivate you to achieve your goals. These are some of the AI-powered personal finance apps that can help you solve the above issues. You can check them out and see which one suits your needs best. I hope this helps you manage your money better. Relief.